Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add video effects and body effects to your videos on CapCut PC. So go to effects and select video effects if you want to add in like just the video effect for the whole entire thing. We have like this sharpen one. You can adjust the blur, the filters as well on it, the range, and like the sharpen, but I'm not going to add that. You just have a lot of options to choose from. You can even edit like the atmosphere, which basically means the opacity, the filter of the video, and the speed as well. I'm just going to add in the body effects next, which I think is pretty cool because it does track the person's face, and you're just going to add it till the end. You can change the color if you'd like to. You can also adjust the filter, the strength of this, I think, and like the size of the heart as well. You can like definitely adjust it if you'd like to. There's more options you can choose from. There's like face, and there's also one specifically for body if like you're creating a dance video and you want to add in some cool effects. I think is super cool. But that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!